I grew my hair from thin to thick using these ingredients I'm about to show you. In today's video, I'll be showing you some of the ingredients I've been using to grow my hair thick. So if you enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you're new here. Let's proceed. Hello and welcome to my channel. To begin preparing the hair recipe, we will be needing our first ingredient, which is cloves. We will be needing whole cloves or cloves powder. Just in case you don't have whole cloves, you can also use cloves powder if you have. Just feel free to use any that you have. Cloves are really powerful. They have many benefits on our hair and scalp. They help to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, which helps to increase hair growth and hair thickness. So cloves are really powerful and I have been using them for a long time. And since the time I started incorporating them to my hair care routine, my hair has grown so thick, and also my hair strength has changed compared to before. We will also be needing our next ingredient, and this is green tea powder or green tea that I'll be using. You can also use green tea leaves if that's what you have. So this is a form of powder, but not that tiny particles, but it is green tea. I just bought them locally. So just feel free to use whatever type of green tea you have, either in sachet form or leaves. Green tea are a great source of DHT blockers, which helps to block DHT that causes hair thinning. So if you've been experiencing hair thinning and maybe your hairline is receding or your hair is shedding unnecessarily, then you need to start including something like DHT blockers. Our next ingredient we'll be adding in the recipe is coffee. This is the type of coffee I'll be making use of. It is an instant coffee and I'll be making use of just one sachet. Feel free to use any type of coffee that you have. Coffee is powerful stimulant because it helps to stimulate hair growth. It also helps to thicken hair. It also adds shine to your hair. In case you have dull hair, you can use coffee to add shine. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer all my ingredients to a jar. Starting off with coffee, like I said before, I'll be using just one sachet, and as you can see, it's already a lot. And for the cloves, I'll be making use of cloves in powder form, since that's what I want to use today. I have whole cloves and powder, but for now I'm gonna use it in powder form. So as you can see, I added just a tiny bit, just half teaspoon, a very small scoop, because all these ingredients are in powder form, and so I'm not going to add a lot because they will be more potent and strong. So for the water, I'm adding hot water. If you've been following me or if you are not new here, you guys know that I like infusing my ingredients using hot water. Hot water helps to infuse them faster and speed the process of infusion. So I left the treatment to infuse for overnight, and after overnight, this is how it's looking like. Guys, just see how dark the treatment is looking like. It's just because the ingredients were in powder form. So now I'm gonna go ahead and strain out the liquid which I'm interested in, and after straining out, I will go ahead and transfer everything to my applicator bottle or spray bottle for easy application. If you don't have any applicator bottle, just make sure to buy one, because if you want to grow your hair you need to be having something like hairs applicator bottle so that your application processes become easy. So I transferred it into this bottle, and next I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this treatment. Keep watching. I will also be explaining different ways I like to use it for maximum growth. So this is how my hair looks right now. My hair is not dry, but today it's the day that I moisturize. I usually moisturize my hair when it feels dry. So I will be using this spray as a leave-in, and as you can see, I'm applying it directly on my scalp first before I move to the ends of my hair. And once I spray, I don't forget to massage. Just give a little bit of massage on my scalp so that it can penetrate on the scalp. This treatment is really beneficial for your hair and scalp. So whenever you apply, make sure to apply on the scalp and your hair strands and to the ends. And whenever you apply this kind of treatment, make sure to take time and massage your scalp at least 5 minutes after you apply or when you are applying. So this treatment is really stimulating because all the ingredients I have used are powerful and stimulating. Others help to thicken hair and strengthen it. So if your hair is thinning or if your hair is breaking, shedding unnecessarily, then adding these ingredients to your hair care routine will help to thicken it, strengthen it, and help it to grow thicker and healthier. So this treatment can be used as a leave-in, and that's the best, one of my best method I like to use hair teas as leave-in treatment so that I achieve all of their amazing benefits. If you don't want to use them as leave-ins, you can use them as a rinse off. After you wash and shampoo your hair, then you can go ahead and pour your treatment all over your hair. Massage it on your scalp and run it to the hair strands and to the ends. And after that, you cover your hair with a plastic bag and leave it for about 30 minutes and then rinse off with plain water. So that's the second method. You can use these teas and your hair will grow stronger, thicker, and healthier. So once you spray this, do not forget to follow up with the rest of your moisturizing routine. Your leave-in conditioner, your hair butter, and then your hair will go for long without drying out. It will go for many days. That's what I do. So we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching and for your time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Also, like and share to your family and friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.